have all already experienced it. The new lawn wouldn't start growing. Many factors could be here to be blamed. Once the lawn has been treated by mycorrhizal fungi living in symbiosis with plant roots, nutrition, growth, and overall state of plants will improve. Plants become more resistant and are better prepared for withstanding the pressures laid upon them by the forces of environment, like droughts and root pathogens, etc. The stability and aggregation of soil particles is increased. Simultaneously, the capacity of the soil to retain humidity increases. Your lawn will turn greener in no time. Not to mention if this method is used on a large scale, for example during recultivation or slopes or spoil banks. This accomplishment owes its success to a completely new pioneer bioproduct. It is developed based on the inoculation substance, symbiotic fungi and algae combined with slow-releasing bioadditives and seeds of target plants that we want to grow on our site. It's a mixture of plants and herbs. Biopreparation is sprayed out onto the required surface as so-called hydroseeding. There is no chance for erosion to occur, and in no time will the problematic spoil banks, slopes, motorways, embankments, or recultivated areas turn green. Eventually, the use of preparation saves fertilizer inputs, decreases the water consumption required for watering, but most of all, it decreases slope erosion. Nowhere in the world has so far been developed such commercial preparation or biotechnology. Hence, we have become the first in the world that offer something like this for immediate usage. It is supposed that using this biotechnology is possible not only in our country, in local conditions, but also in semi-desert and desert locations. What would that mean? Immense shifts towards the fight with spreading of the deserts. Biotechnology that is being developed could pride itself for original composition, and not only is it ecological, but also considerably cheaper than traditional methods of seeding, filling using ground substrate or direct laying of turf carpets. All one has to do is to take a calculator and the benefits are clearly to be seen. Hydroseeding is modern and a progressive method of vegetation establishment, thanks to which it is possible to mechanically seed large and not easily accessible areas liable for erosion. It can be used to green the road and motorway banks, railway embankments, water industrious and sport buildings, but also during recultivation of soil in the areas devastated by human activities, for example spoil banks and waste sites. Hydroseeding equipment consists of the tank with a mixing tool where all the components are thoroughly mixed, then a pump compressor for reaching required pressure and working flat area with the jet tool. Such equipment is capable to spray out all substances so that they create uniform layers with anti-erosion film on the surface that stabilizes treated area until the proper growth of plants takes over. The method of hydroseeding can be applied to almost all types of land and slopes reaching the angle up to 60%. Within the scope of sustainability of Symbiom plant growing, our company offers natural product turf comp for hydroseeding and unique ecologically tested method of vegetation establishments on problematic areas. Try it for yourself.